Hey, if you wonder how to turn off this camera shutter sound on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, unfortunately the only way to do this is by muting the notification sound. So what I mean, when you go out of the camera and click on the volume down button, you can actually click on the three dots and open this sliders. And now as you can see, we've got this media sound, and when you go into the notifications and turn them off, try to take the photo. Okay, it's still this sound, so that was actually my bad, sorry for this one. We have to actually turn off the system sound. So it's actually the first slider, this one. We can bring back the notifications. Let's take the photo one more time. As you can see, and as you can hear, there's like no this sound. But also you will miss some keyboard sound, touch interaction, and other stuff. So I'm not sure why Samsung removed this shutter sound from the settings. I was searching the phone for this option, but it's not available anywhere. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.